Getting started with GCash for Business Portal is simple and hassle-free. Panoorin itong video para makita kung gaano kadali ang mag-register para sa negosyo mo. Step 1. Mag-sign up gamit ang GCash verified account and your legal name dahil ito ay part ng inyong contract. For small businesses or micro-merchants, gamitin lang ang verified GCash account. Kung registered business naman, sundan lang ang quick prompts to provide your info. Enter your email address at gumawa ng password na madali mong matatandaan. Step 2. Select the business plan na fit para sa iyong business. Whether you're just starting out or growing fast, may plan na para sa'yo. Each plan comes with easy-to-follow requirements, so no need to worry. Ngayon, i-fill out mo lang ang business profile mo. Kung fully verified at active, for at least 12 months na ang GCash number mo, qualified ka agad for starter plan. Wala nang extra documents na kailangan. That's it! Kung starter plan ang pinili mo, ready na agad ang business wallet mo within 10 minutes lang. Ngayon, pwede mo nang i-manage ang negosyo at lahat ng tools mo all in one place. Mag-add ng branch under your portal's Branches tab. Pro tip! Bigyan mo ng unique code bawat branch para mas madali mong matrack ang reports mo. Step 3. Choose from our easy payment devices. SoundPay, PocketPay, or go all in with our in-store bundle. Your SoundPay kit will be delivered to your store, while PocketPay is one quick app download. It's that easy. Ready to start accepting payments? Order your SoundPay device using the link below. Delivered right to your business. All done na. Kailangan mo ng support? Nandito ang GCash team for you. 24/7. Congrats! You've entered your easy era. Great job sa pag-sign up. Ngayon, alamin natin kung paano pumili ng perfect business plan para sa negosyo mo.